Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to use 4 kitchen items that I bought from Amazon, and also I'm going to tell you if they are worth the money or not. In case you want to check out any of these products, I will be leaving the links for the same in the description box below. So let's begin. Well, summer is almost here, and what could be better than making your own popsicles at home? So the first item that I bought is this popsicle molds that comes with sticks like this. But you need to place the sticks in between, and that would not be possible if you are filling it with some liquids, and that is the reason why it comes with detachable caps as well. So it will have a small hole inside it. You need to place the stick inside and just cover it. But if you are using the cap, the stick will reach only half of the popsicle. And as a result, it may not fit in properly in your freezer if it's smaller in size. I had the same problem, so I thought of using this aluminium foil in order to cover it rather than using the plastic caps that would come along with the popsicle mold. So once you are done covering it properly, just dab it with your hands so that you can see the outer surface of each of the popsicle molds so that you can make a hole in between. Now with a knife, I will just make a small hole. Make sure you are making it in between, and then we'll insert the sticks. And once you are done with it, you can freeze it for about 3-4 hours or until they are properly set. Well, to be frank, I have just used these popsicle molds once last year during summer. I should be using more of these. Once they are properly set, you need to wait for 3-4 seconds so that it's easier for you to unmold them, or you can even dip them inside just plain normal tap water as well. So it will make the process easier for you. And after 3-4 seconds, you can simply take them out and then enjoy it. I definitely like this product, and I think I would give it a 10 out of 10. Now second one that I have is this glass juice mugs along with detachable lids as well as straws. They are very colorful and a perfect way of serving juices or other smoothies during summer. I have used them so much on this channel. You would have seen for all my juice or tea or other videos, I have used them quite a lot. So these are some clips from all those videos, but I have used it much more than I'm showing on this video, so it's definitely a good buy. I ordered 2 of these jars, but you even get them in sets as well, like 4 pieces, 2 pieces or 6 pieces. So you can accordingly select your colors and then you can buy them. I decided to buy the ones in blue color because they are very bright and refreshing. Considering how much I have used them, I should be giving them an 11 or 12 out of 10, but yeah, definitely it's worth the money. Alright, next thing which I have is this smart cutter. So if you read from the packaging, you would see that it is easier to cut cucumber, bread, spinach, carrot, chili, tomato, potato, groundnut, almonds, etc. So I don't have that much of expectation also from it, like almonds or carrots. I don't think would be a better idea to use this cutter, but yeah, I think cucumber or onions or tomatoes, it should cut it properly. So I'll just give this a try and see if it's worth the price or not. So I really like the packaging and everything. It looks very nice, neat and clean. So you cannot just open it because it has got this lock. So if you have child around, you need not worry, you can simply lock it and they will not be able to use it or get injured or something. And whenever you need, you can simply unlock and use it. So why is it smart? It's because it has this attached chopping board, so you don't need to use your chopping board and another knife. It's simply in one piece only, both the things are given. But when I actually tried using it, I did not like it much because it's not very sharp. I don't think it's very clear in the video, but yeah, I'm giving a lot of pressure, but even then it's not cutting properly. I guess it's a lot of effort. Rather than that, I would simply use a knife, if not a chopping board. I think these kind of items just look good in ads, but they hardly work in real life. I don't think it's a good investment. It would be a lot of effort unnecessarily from your end. I like the fact that it has got this lock and everything. It looks nice also, but it should have been a little more sharp. So I think I would give it a 1 out of 10 because it's of no use. Alright, next thing which I have is this sprout maker. It's very easy to make sprouts in this. You simply need to soak the dal or chana or whatever seeds you want to sprout, right? You need to soak it properly. Once done, you need to fill it in the sprout maker. So you basically get it in 2 layers or 3 layers. I bought the one which is having 3 layers so that I can make a lot of sprouts at the same time. You can make sprouts otherwise also without the sprout maker, like simply in a container you can keep it and it will start sprouting. But if you are looking for something like this, then yeah, it's not a bad idea to invest on something like this, but it's not a necessary item that you should be buying only. So accordingly you can decide it for yourself. I tried making a lot of sprouts. You would see dedicated videos relating to how to use a sprout maker on my channel as well. So you can check them out if you are willing to see more of such videos. But all in all, it was a good purchase. It works fine, so I think I would give it a 9 out of 10. The only problem I had with this is that you need to again clean all the layers, like it's like 4 or 5 pieces that you need to clean. So that's the only thing, otherwise it works fine and everything. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful and interesting. In case you did, make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.